Hello, I'm Greg, and this is a tutorial on how to use Blogger. Blogger is a feature of Google. To get started, first you have to create an account, and you go to www.blogger.com, and it'll take you to this page where you can either sign in or create your own account. I've already created mine, so I'm going to sign in. Use your email address. So when you first log in, it takes you to what's called your dashboard, which gives you control of your profile features and lets you access all the blogs that you have created. You can create more than just one blog. You can create as many as you want. I've got here a picture that I've uploaded of myself. I can view my profile and edit it. And this is a list of my blogs. So far I have 2 of them. And then there's some other features here that I don't use. So first of all, what is a blog? Well, let me take you to this one. My Jesus is Wonderful blog. Essentially, it's a website that has a lot of automated features that you don't need to write the code for. They're automatically added for you by Google. And the first thing that you will notice is that the blog has a consistent color scheme, and it's got quite a few pictures, which were all very easy to add. And it's not quite frames, but it's got different sections to it. There's a header section where you have your title and a short description of your blog. There is a main section where you write your posts. Your posts are kind of like entries in a diary. Of course, you don't have to write anything personal. In fact, you can just write news or just put up pictures or whatever you want. The content is up to you. And those are sorted by date. On the right side, there are you can add pictures. Like I have this picture that's always up with this scripture. There are links to other people's blogs that I'm friends with. And more links. There are people that actually subscribe to my blog that get an email whenever I add a new post. And the archive has links to, based on date, links to my previous posts. So I started blogging back in 2008, actually in February, so a little over a year ago. Another cool feature about blogs is at the end of every post, you can type in comments. So this is really nice. This is a real advantage over just regular websites, because usually when somebody visits your website, you don't know who's visiting your website. On a regular website, you have to know a lot of HTML and scripting languages to actually provide a way for people to provide you feedback, or you put a link to your email address or something and they can email you. Well, in blogging, people can actually leave you comments, and then you can read. You get an email every time they leave you a comment, and other people can read the comments that other people have left on your blog. You can even have small discussions about your blog post or whatever. It's a very nice interactive feature of blogging. Okay. And then see here, I also have some links that I've added that you can go and visit other websites. So it really gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of what kind of content you can have on your blog. And up here at the very top, there's always this banner, which I find a little bit annoying. I don't like to have that banner there, but there's no way to avoid it. and it shows you if you're logged in or not. It has a link to sign out, and it has links to things that you can do to change your blog, like adding a new post or changing the layout and so on. So let me go to customize. I'm going to actually create a new blog, kind of a dummy blog, and I'm going to go back up here to dashboard. That's really the entry point into my blog, and I can actually to my account, and I can actually create a new blog right here. There's a link, create a blog. Okay. So first thing you got to do is give it a name. So I like superheroes and I like Green Lantern, so I'm going to try creating a Green Lantern blog. I'm going to see if then the next thing you got to do is give your blog an address, and the address is always a name.blogspot.com. Okay, and the name shouldn't have any spaces in it. All of the rules for URLs. So I'm just going to try Green Lantern all in one word. I strongly doubt that it's going to be available. Then you click on check availability. No, of course somebody took it. And it's giving me some suggestions here. I don't want those. I'm going to try the Green Lantern. Oh, that one's taken too. About Hal Jordan Green Lantern. Huh, that works. It took that. Then, this is a little bit annoying, but either Blogger itself or people whose blogs you visit, in order to leave them a comment, they'll have you type in the word that you see in the picture. So that this is a feature to prevent spammers from flooding our blogs. So sometimes it's hard to read, and if you don't get it the first time, don't worry, they'll give you another chance. I think that's what it is. It's not always a word. This isn't the word, but it sounds like a word. Okay. And I think that's it. That's all you need to know for now. Click on continue. Just thinking about it. Okay. Now, step 2 is you get to choose a template. I might just do that one. Yeah. I guess I'll just do this one. Okay, so you create that one. Click continue. The blog has been created. Okay. Start blogging. Well, the first thing it does, I guess, is it takes you to the editor. So this is the editor that allows you to type new blog entries, and it's a lot like Word or WordPad or something. It has a lot of neat features, which I'm gonna get into really quick here. But first of all, let's take a look at our blog so far.